What's up, A1 trading community? I hope y'all are having a beautiful, man, what is even today? Wednesday. I hope y'all are having a great Wednesday. So as you all know, I do these stock of the weeks every week. So today I'm here to let y'all know about a stock that I'm going to be looking at even heavier now. I was kind of like in between, but now I think I'm going to look at it even heavier and think about getting in on the action because I haven't just yet. And that stock is Volkswagen. The ticker for Volkswagen is VWAGY. Now, as y'all can see from the past week, they're up by 50%, which is madness. That's insane, right? Because, you know, if we minus that, they were basically at around the 20s. But let me tell y'all why. This is not just a quick, pump and dump. As you all may know, Volkswagen is actually it's not but it's one of the biggest car manufacturers in the States and outside of the States and around the country. I personally own a Volkswagen. The cars are absolutely great, super gas efficient, just comfortable cars, and I just love them to get you from point A to point B. But, they are going more and more and more luxurious. But, however, let me tell y'all why the main reason why I am thinking about getting into Volkswagen and why it is my stock of the week. And not just because the percentage sign is at 50% and it's up by $14.24. Let's look at this, okay? Why Volkswagen is suddenly skyrocketing, okay? Volkswagen said on Wednesday that it expects to deliver more than 450,000 electric vehicles in 2021. Little Tesla action going on here. More than double its 2020 total in a big step towards its goal of selling 3 million EVs a year by 2025. The automaker said that it delivers of its new electric crossover SUV, the VWAGY 4, will begin later this month in Europe and soon after in China and the United States. Several other VW brand electrics and related models from other brands within the Volkswagen Group will also begin shipping in regional markets before the end of the year. Now what? Taken together, this week's news has made Volkswagen's goal to lead the world in electric vehicle sales by 2025. Again, I think that's going to be a little tough with Tesla, but hey, we can applaud them for what they're trying to do. And not to mention, Volkswagen, they've been had their foot in the door, right? They already have a footprint within the car world because they're one of the oldest car manufacturers in the world, okay? If not before, more tangible and more credible than ever. That's why the stock has surged this week, and it's why electric vehicle investors who have long assumed that newer entrants like Tesla would win the EV race are starting to rethink that assumption. Now, like I said, I think it's okay, so it's one of those things with Tesla. Let's break this down. So we all know that Tesla was laughed at around when it was like $60, $20, $40. Everyone's saying short Tesla, because the idea was fresh and it was new and it's never been done, right? Well, electric vehicles have been done, but let me just say it's been done, but it hasn't been done right. And Tesla had such a unique car and unique model to bring to the market that they absolutely exploded when people caught on, and they were like, wow, there's no car like a Tesla. Like, okay, so for instance, like with the Volkswagen, right? Would I rather drive a Volkswagen or a Toyota or a Hyundai? You know what I mean? It's kind of one of those things where I'm like, okay, well, how is it on gas mileage? Is it comfortable while driving? Those are usually the things I'm looking for in a car for myself personally, and also, depending on the size. But it's just one of those things where a Tesla just sticks out to you because it's so unique. It's way more than a car. It makes you feel that way. But, with a Volkswagen or with a Toyota and Honda, it kind of just makes you feel like it's a car that gets you from point A to point B, but it's very gas efficient and it's very reliable. I think Volkswagen is trying to say that they get that Tesla mindset of when you get into the car, we have to make it a experience because that's what it is. In order to get an influx of customers and to continue to win the game, and not to mention to go above your competitors, you have to make your brand and your company an experience. So whenever someone gets in that car, they're like, whoa, like this is an experience that I cannot, re-experience in a different car. I know this sounds kind of deep, but it's very true. In my opinion, that's kind of the psychological factor as to why Tesla is continuing to succeed. I think personally, there will never be another Tesla or another car that makes you feel in that way. At this moment, at least from what I've seen. But again, back to the article, I must say we have to, applaud, Volkswagen's statement of doing that, and it's an expectation to deliver more electric vehicles. Myself personally, I have not seen the Volkswagen electric vehicles, but one thing's for sure, if their expectations are to deliver that many, it has to be for a legitimate reason. So, Robinhood here has them as a 74% buy based on what analysts are saying. Let's just look at this because, sometimes I like to look at this. Volkswagen's presence in global markets reduces reliance on any one regional economy and improves growth prospects as developing markets offset mature ones. With substantial liquidity in a covertly financed capital structure, Volkswagen has a high degree of financial flexibility and is well positioned to weather the coronavirus outbreak. As the company manufactures entry-level to ultra-luxury as well, again, I haven't seen the ultra-luxury cars, as small delivery vehicles to the largest of on-highway heavy trucks, its dependence on a single vehicle segment is limited, which is absolutely great. So that means that pretty much that Volkswagen is very well versed, right? They have many vehicles that serve for Volkswagen, from entry-level cars to luxury vehicles to more of the higher end people, and they have semi trucks, which are probably delivering all sorts of products. So I mean, it's a no-brainer to me anyway that this would be a buy, just simply because of their, I don't want to say of their like brand awareness, but just because, in my opinion, it's kind of one of those things like they've been around business for so long and they've been doing so well, and now with the electric vehicle wave coming into play and they want to get involved, why not? Why not in the end? Because I know, as I always say, there's going to be someone else compared to Tesla. Tesla, to me, when you think of Tesla, I think of it like Coke. There's only one Coke. There's only one Tesla. But what's going to be the Pepsi to Tesla? You know what I'm saying? There has to be something else, next to them, or competing with them, or right there with them. Maybe not even right there, but at least in the rear view mirror, I think is what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, check out Volkswagen, y'all. From 3 months they're up $21. 1 month they're up $19. I think it's worth looking at and to seeing like how, this whole EV wave is going to play, because there are going to be more people that get into it. But again, it's not about who does it first. It's about who does it right. And I believe Volkswagen could be one of those contenders who does it right. Woo! There's a lot of EVs going on, and man, they're trying to make me go broke. But anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments down below about Volkswagen and any other EVs that you're looking at, or any other car companies that you're looking at. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up so more investors can see this video and we can converse about Volkswagen and any other stocks. And please be sure to join the A1 Trading stock community, where we talk all about stocks, and we have analysts in there that will give you live trades about what they're trading, and we also give updates on long-term investing. So it's kind of the best of all worlds within the community. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing y'all in the next one.